Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of Standard 5. Today we will see the syllabus and paper pattern for the unit test 4 and then we will do the revision. Here syllabus is lesson number 10, tens and hundred, and lesson number 11, area and its boundary. Now we will see a paper pattern. Question 1 is fill in the blanks. I have already shared the fill in the blanks from lesson number 11. And today we will see other fill in the blanks from the workbook. Then question number 2 is match the following that can be asked from the lesson number 10. Question number 3, find the area and perimeter of the given figure. So in this question you have to find out the area and perimeter, which is in this question you have to find out the area and perimeter of different figure. Today we will solve this type of question. And then question number 4, solve the following. In this question you have to solve the word problems from the lesson number 11. Now proceeding further, let us do the revision for this test. Let us see some questions from your workbook. Here question is find the area and or perimeter of the given figure. First figure is given here. Length is 6 cm and width is 3 cm. So here we will find out perimeter and area both. First we will find out perimeter. So perimeter is equal to sum of the sides. Here we have to add this all 6 cm plus 3 cm plus 6 cm plus 3 cm. So if we add this all, 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3, we will get 18 cm. So perimeter of this figure is 18 cm. Write 18 cm. Now let us find out the area of this figure. Area is equal to length into breadth. So A is equal to 6 cm plus 3 cm is equal to 18 square centimeter is the area of this figure. Both are same. Now let us see second question. Value of one side of length is given and value of one side of breadth is given. So opposite side will be also same, 7 cm. That means opposite side is also of 7 cm and 2 cm here. So here will be also 2 cm. Now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So A is equal to length is given 7 cm and width is given 2 cm. So 7 2s are 14 square centimeter is the area. So here we will write area is equal to 14 square centimeter. Now let us see third question. Children, what is this? It has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is octagon. And to find out the perimeter of octagon, the formula is 8 into sides. So here perimeter is equal to 8 into side is 3 centimeters. So 8 3s are 24 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. Now we will see the fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks is dash of a shape is the amount of region it covers. So it is area. Now second question. The total length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its, student, you know, perimeter is sum of sides. So it is the length of the boundary. So your answer is perimeter. Then third, fill in the blanks here. A1, perimeter of triangle ABC. So here AB, BC plus CA, and here units. We have to do here also sum of sides. Then B1, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth. So here we will write length. In short I am writing L here, and here breadth. That means we can write like that, 2 into length plus breadth. Now question C. In a rectangle, length plus breadth is equal to half into perimeter. Then D, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side units. Here 1 square meter is equal to dash square centimeter. Student, here 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. Then F, length of a rectangle is equal to area divided by breadth. Then question G, breadth of rectangle is equal to area divided by length. Now question H is, area of a square is equal to dash into dash square unit. Area of square is equal to side into side. Square units. So student, today we have solved some questions as paper style wise, and also we have seen the fill in the blanks, paper pattern and syllabus. That's all for this session, and other questions we will see in the next coming video.